Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Bernard, your marketing soldier, back with another video talking about Matt AI. So I wanted to not only show my results, but also wanted to discuss something. So I'm a little frustrated with Matt AI, to say the least. So when I first got into Matt AI and watched the recordings about how everything worked, I came in with specific expectations. And, looking at what's been going on with my account for the last, week or so, my expectations have changed. It's, I've been in this marketplace for about 10 years or so. And the reason why I'm frustrated with Matt AI is because I don't understand why this didn't come along a hell of a lot sooner. This thing is incredible, guys. It really is. The earnings that I've been able to accumulate these last 9 days, the ease of use, the sign-up process could probably be a little bit easier, but once you're in the system and you know the system, it's completely easy to use. This thing is just phenomenal. So let's start by going to my results for day 9. So as you can see, for my profit for today has been $3.97. My accumulated has been $256.56. And guys, let me tell you, that $256, I've been able to make that in just a short 9 days. And let me show you. I started on the 25th here at the very bottom with $30.84. And if you go up to today's date, which is 6/2/2021, you can see that my day ended with a profit of $21.30. And now the day has started for the 24 hours for tomorrow, which is at only $3.97. $256.56 in just 9 days, guys, on my $2,700 investment. So let's go to my trusty calculator and let's see what that makes out to be. So if I go $256 divided by $2,700, that's a return of almost 9.5%, guys, in less than 10 days. That is ridiculous. Come on. So when you get into the bot, it says that you can earn anywhere from 10 to 30% monthly. It's only been 10 days and I'm almost at 10%. That's just crazy, right? That's insane. No other platform out there is doing what Matt AI is doing right now, right? So just so I can give you guys some transparency, let's go to my account, my Binance account. So if you look at my Binance account right now, you can see that I'm sitting at $2,896.20. Okay, so that's crazy, right? Now look at this. These are all the trades that I have open. I have about 11 trades in. I added a Dogecoin pair to start trading from that, which is doing very well. And it's just, things are just going great. So I know if you're doing the math, you see that my balance should be $22.56 because I told you I made $256. But let me explain why I have $28.96 instead of $22.56. All right, just give me 1 second. So if you go back here and you go to my USDT assets, you see the button right next to eLedger, the USDT assets. You can see that I have a balance of $48.68. And let me explain why that is. So when you initially join Matt AI, it's $150 for a year, okay? But the way that Matt AI makes money on its side is it charges a 20% fee for every trade that it closes, every winning trade that it closes. So here you can see that there's a deduction of 2 cents, one for 43 cents, one for it looks like 0.018 cents, 4 cents, 13 cents, 5 cents. So all these micro trades that MadBot AI is making, it's taking their 20%. It doesn't just take it all at once. It takes it after each trade has been closed, after each winning trade has been closed. So you have to make sure you have at least $50 in your USDT assets so that the MadBot can continue to trade for you. If it gets below $10, then the bot will not trade for you. So you have to try to make sure you have at least $50 in your account, which is equivalent to 20, a little more than 20%. So like if I was to make $250, $50 would be that 20 cents, the 20% of $250. So they're making $50, and I'm taking home 80% of that $250, which is $200. So $200, is completely a win for me, in my opinion. I don't know what you guys think, but that's a win for me. So yeah, guys. So that's what's been going on with my account. I'm loving what I'm seeing with MadBot AI. I plan on just letting this keep going, letting it compound for me, and to continue to make money every day on autopilot. As long as I keep my USDT ledger up with $50 at least to take its 20%, I'm going to continue to make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, weekends, holidays, it doesn't matter. This bot does not sleep. Okay, this is just an amazing opportunity. If you're not in it, you definitely need to do yourself a favor and get on board. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. I'm glad you could watch it. If you could just leave me a like and subscribe for more updates as I bring them on, I'd appreciate it. All right, guys, this is Bernard signing off. You guys take care, and talk to you soon.